welcome to Connie's Can Cook. Today, me, Sophia, will be making a banana shake. So right here, I have one banana cut up into about an inch or two thick pieces. I froze them ahead of time because if you freeze it and do it in the same day, it won't be as cold and it will taste weird. One time that happened to me, so I speak of experience. So, the ingredients in the banana shake are, I was going to say sugar, it's honey, milk, and banana. So it's really healthy, it's quick and fast, so if you're on the go for work, it's perfect for you. So get your cup, blending machine, ready. It may seem like a lot of bananas, it is just one banana. Alright, let's get this cutting board out of the way. So here are my bananas. So, I like to add the honey last because it will have more time to flow down, so it'll take longer time to get to the bottom. When it goes to the bottom, it's hard to get it back again into your shake. Okay, now I just don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's the honey. This is like the fast part of the process. So then I just go very fast. I have my thing next to me. Count to 3. Honey's done. I don't want it to float. Aw, man. The honey beat me this time. See? It's hard to incorporate it. So, we got our blending machine here. Lock it in. I like to give it a few seconds just to get the honey to flow to the bottom or to the shake. Oh, it's not even on. When you see no banana chunks, you can unlock it, bring it out, get a spoon for tasters, taste it, see if it's liquidy enough. The less milk you put, the more chunkier it'll be. I personally do not like chunky because, well, Judge doesn't like chunky. It's good. You get the banana, sweetness, milkiness. I usually prefer to add more milk because I just get a little more milky flavor. Let me go grab my cup. Stay right here. So here I have my cup. Trust me, once you have this once, you're going to get addicted to it. This is like the 15th time I've had this. One more. So right here, I have my banana shake. Healthy, fast, and delicious. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell and click the notification button to see my upcoming videos. Bye!